What's up? This is your girl E checking in, you guys. How y'all doing? Comment down below. Let me know how y'all doing down below. All right, you guys. I am about to cook some stewing hen. They call it hard chicken, you guys. Okay, so you already know. Your girl already washed it, cleaned it. Look at this, nasty. Okay, so I have the chicken here. All I have in there so far is adobo. Okay, let me show y'all. All right, Goya adobo. Have some turmeric here, clove powder, the badia honey, complete seasoning, black pepper, and as well you're gonna add some garlic powder. And then y'all, your girl did went ahead and create her own marinade. Okay, so yeah, you guys, stay tuned. And I'm gonna be adding tomato paste in here. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, you guys, I have the turmeric in there. I forgot to show y'all, so I'm gonna add a little bit of clove powder, as you can see. And then your girl gonna go ahead and add the marinade. Okay, alright, here's the tomato paste. You guys feel free to use whatever you guys want to use, whatever season you prefer. Okay, like I said, you don't have to use the same seasoning that your girl used. Alright, y'all, I forgot to tell you guys, I am going to stir this all around. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. Next, we're just gonna cover this and let it brown for a little bit. Okay, then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. So I am gonna let the chicken cook, let me see, about 2 hours, and check it. Mind you, this is hard chicken. Okay, so it's gonna take a while for it to cook. You guys, if I had my pressure cooker, it's broke right now, this thing would have been done in like 30 minutes. But since your girl don't have it, I have to go to Best Buy and take it there to get a replacement or purchase another one. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned, then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, the chicken is still cooking. Ooh, as you can see. Alright, hold on. Alright, y'all, hopefully you guys can see better. This is what the chicken looking like. It has been cooking for an hour and a half, y'all. So it's still not done, as you can see. Alright, you guys, as you can hear Alexa going off in the back. Okay, it is about that time. It is 2 hours exactly, okay, since the chicken been cooking. So what I did, I add some bell pepper, some red bell pepper, some red bell pepper and some onion, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. keto friendly, y'all. Keto friendly. It is keto. It's a keto cake, y'all. But yeah, I'm tired. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.